How to teach nonverbal cues for consent. Have you ever thought about how much we communicate without saying a word? When it comes to teaching children about consent, understanding nonverbal cues is essential. Let's break down how to effectively teach these important signals in a fun and supportive way. Start by introducing the idea of bodily autonomy. Explain that everyone is the boss of their own body. This means they can decide who touches them and how. Encourage them to express their feelings through body language. For instance, pulling away or avoiding eye contact can mean no, while relaxed posture and eye contact can indicate yes. Model consent in everyday situations. Always ask for permission before touching or entering someone's personal space. This could be as simple as asking if they want help putting on shoes or brushing their teeth. By doing this, you show that consent is a normal part of interactions. For children who may not use words, focus on their body language and facial expressions. If a child turns their head away or stiffens, they might be saying no. On the other hand, if they lean in or smile, they are likely comfortable. Pay attention to these signals to understand their comfort levels. Teach children to recognize these cues in themselves and others. Use simple language to label feelings and body parts. Words like body, space, and touch can help them express their feelings. Encourage them to use gestures or other communication methods they feel comfortable with. Reinforce that it is always okay to say no or stop an interaction, even if they cannot use words. Create opportunities for practice. Before giving a hug, ask, "Do you want a hug?" Watch for their response. If they are nonverbal, let them show yes or no through nodding or shaking their head. Respect their answers and do not force physical contact. In family settings, especially in LGBTQ+ families, normalize asking for and respecting consent. This builds trust and shows that everyone's feelings and identities are valued. It is important to support each individual's boundaries and comfort. For younger children, incorporate consent education through play. Encourage them to ask before joining a game or touching a playmate. Teach phrases like "stop," "I don't like it," and "hands on your own body." This empowers them to set clear boundaries. As children grow, continue reinforcing these lessons. Respect their privacy and choices. Discuss the importance of consent in digital spaces, like asking before sharing photos. This reflects how consent is communicated beyond physical touch. Teaching nonverbal cues for consent is about creating a respectful and communicative environment. This approach supports positive parenting and communication within LGBTQ+ families. It validates diverse ways of expressing consent and encourages mutual respect.